Okie dokie folks, this is the Farmer Worlds Replace, and yes, we keep getting emailed by people who think that we're the developers of the game. We are not the developers, but I'm going to finally play it. Getting started, it'd be surprising if I was the developer and hadn't played it before. Getting started, this window contains information about everything in the game. You can move windows around by dragging and dropping the grey part of the window. You can move around by dragging it anywhere outside the windows. Okay, cool, ooh, neat. To get started with programming, go to the first program page by clicking it. Be sure to check out the buttons in the top right corner of the screen, hover over them to see a tooltip explain what they do. One of them opens the text tree. So this is a programming game. Create a new code file, open a new info window. So this looks like it's going to be the code. Yep, is it more than spaced? It is. Cool. First program. Text editor. All programming is done in code windows. Each code window corresponds to a text file containing code. Sure. You can rename the file by clicking on its name at the top of the window. Yep. The code can be edited like in any text editor as long as it's not running. You're assuming I'm familiar with text editors. You can execute the program directly by pressing the green play button in the code window. Cool. Create more code files using the plus button in the upper right corner. You can dock a window to another window by dragging it onto it. How? You mean if I have like multiple files? Ah, wait. Yes, okay, that does attach them. Does that? I don't think you can attach those together, just the code ones. Okay. Notice that once you start typing, a simple code completion window will pop up. Press tab, okay. If you're in Python, it's not a problem either. You'll be able to skip the early game quickly. There are 2 drone commands available, harvest and do a flip. So apparently, it's set up with the language is unlocked step by step. Okay, so we don't have all the syntax together. These are function calls. You can think of a function as a command that can be executed, so you execute it with brackets. I do know Python, so this should be fine. You can think of your code as a sequence of statements. Yeah, harvest, do a flip harvest. All right. Unlocks. Collecting grass will give you hay. Hay can be used to unlock loops in the unlock menu. There's the unlock menu. Open the unlock menu with a button in the top right corner. Ah, I see. Okay. So we need 5 hay to unlock loops, a while loop specifically. This is cool. So let's close you. So when you say do a flip, like why do I need to do a flip? Can I just harvest? Okay, I've harvested. And executes 1 step of the code. But I guess I can just click this a few times and get 5. Cool. Got it. I now sort of see why people are also comparing this to like idle games. But of course, I'm going to use a while loop to automate that. You've unlocked the while loop and the values of true and false. The while loop keeps executing the loop body as long as the condition is true. Or condition loop body. Yep. I mean, I didn't do that. I thought about doing that, but I was like, I could just click the button a few times. Okay. Okay, should we find out what flipping is for? Do a flip. I did a flip. Don't know why I want to do that. So what's our next goal? There's a few. Hats for your drone. Okay, 50, 20, 300. Increase the speed of both the drone and code execution. Okay. Interesting. We have to actually unlock speed. I mean, what happens if I literally just say, can I make infinite loops? I made an infinite loop. Are you happy for me to do this? I guess you're happy for me to do this. And then we'll wait for these to be available. So this one is available now. Speed upgrade. Yeah, so you're going faster right now. So far we have only had true and false conditions, which is of course not very useful. Can harvest provides a better condition. Can harvest returns true if the plant under the drone can be harvested. Okay, so that's a built-in function. That's fine with me. Okay. Why are we not getting more right now? Oh, you're going too fast. Is that what's going on? Like it's not growing back? Do a flip. And then we're going to get more land at some point, aren't we? Yeah, okay. I think we're going too fast. It wasn't finishing growing. That's what was happening there. Maybe? Whoa, we need wood. Okay, there's different resources. So you can get even more speed. Okay. Okay, so this truly is an idle game because we gotta wait. Unless like there's something I could do here that would make it faster. So I don't want to go too fast. Is the problem. My only way of slowing down right now is to do a flip. So I think I kind of gotta do this. I don't really know if I care about the hats, so maybe we focus on something else instead. Expands the farmlands. Oh, okay, we can do that already. All right, the green outline means that. Okay, so we have move, and we can pass north, east, south, and west. Cool. So now, because okay, yeah. How should we do this? I guess we'll continue having an infinite loop. Okay, so let's just find out. So if we move north. Does it like wrap? It does. Okay. Well, there we go. So we're going to do move north, harvest. Okay, this is good. So this is about as fast as we could go right now, I believe. And we can get planting. We can plant a bush. Okay. Which we can do now. Grass is nice because it grows automatically. All other plants have to be planted with the plant function. The only plant you can plant right now is a bush. You can pass the type of plant you want to plant to the function like this. This will plant a bush under the drone called clear to reset the farm to all grass and reset the drone position. Okay. Seems that if you grow more than one type of plant on the farm at the same time, you can sometimes get a higher yield. You'll need to research polyculture to learn more. Wowee. Okay, there's all sorts of stuff going on here. Where's polyculture? Carrots. Till the soil and plant carrots. So I can print logs, and I need logs to be able to do it. Okay, for debugging, operators, and then we can do maths. Interesting. This is an interesting way of like introducing each concept. Like how it goes into this piggy bank drone. So we can plant. Okay, we can plant stuff. But do I first want to like do? Well, I don't really want to do hats. Oh, maybe we should do a hat. Okay. What colour hat should we wear? Purple hat. Maybe we can change. Once we get operators, we can make it change hat every time. We could just literally just put it at the beginning. Change hat. Purple hat. Oh, got all sorts. We've got lots of options. Oh, we've got a few. Let's do a purple hat. Well, there we go, we changed hat. We've got a purple hat now. What else have we got coming up? So this needs... Okay, so we don't have wood yet, so that's probably what bushes are for, right? Now, I guess the question is, do we just want to... If we stop this and open a new thing, should I just change like one of them to like plant entities... Oh. Entities, bush, and it's like just do this once, and then just continue doing this without the change hat. That's not necessary. Like, can you just harvest this? Yeah. Oh, but then you get that. Okay, the grass comes back. Okay, so you harvest it and it disappears, and the grass comes back. So if we want to keep getting wood, but I kind of want both. Would be nice. So how fast do I want wood right now? Like not massively fast, so I'd be happy to do like one thing we could do for now is just do, because we don't have like operators and things, so I'm gonna do this. Can I just plant and then harvest immediately, or do I have to wait for it to finish? Plant, entities, bush. So in one of them, we'll plant a bush, but I'm not sure if like we have to wait. Yeah, we have to wait. Okay, so what we can do instead is harvest then plant. So it's there, it's growing. I don't think that was enough time still. Okay, interesting. Oh, that's annoying. Do a flip. No, not then. After planting. Every time I plant a bush, I always do a flip. How long does it need? Still wasn't long enough. At least during this whole time we're getting lots of hay. Oh, don't plant twice. Do a flip twice. Oh, we got that one. Wait, I think we got 5 wood from the first one, didn't we? Still not long enough. Okay, that's definitely fully grown at that point. Okay. That's very slow. I mean, I guess I could like go and harvest more of this while that's happening, but this will probably do for now. Oh, so I can get operators now. Sure. Uh-oh. Okay. Suddenly we have a lot of options. It's interesting to now think about like, okay, so I need my production to... Okay, what would be a good way of doing this? I wonder if you can see, like, you can probably check like your inventory, like you can probably do conditions based on what inventory you've got. Not loving this, so... but I don't think we can like assign to variables. It's kind of funny. Yeah, that's coming up later. I mean carrots for that. So carrots, we need more wood. That's fine. It's kind of funny, like I guess knowing obviously what will be available and not being able to use it and being like, okay, so how do I do what I want to do given what I've got? This is like terribly slow. Like, so what we could do instead of just doing all those flips is like try and make the most... Oh, there was a can harvest function. I forgot about that. I see. I forgot about can harvest. So, but we don't have if. But we could do a nested while loop. While can harvest. Harvest. Because then presumably you won't be able to harvest on the next one, so then you can just move north. So that will literally just happen once anyway. I do still want to plant bushes every now and then, though. I bet at some point I'll be able to look at my position as well and do things based on position. What would be a good way of doing that? I do now have operators, but I don't know how they're going to help me much right now. I mean, what else did it say about... Oh gosh. Operators, alright. Like, sure, I have them, but I don't really have any values that I'd want to operate on, so... Okay, it also comes with the Boolean operators as well. I mean, let's look at this for a second. So, okay, then the problem is that we aren't placing the wood down. So... is there a... What did it say on the movement one? Expand? Is there a can move? No. I guess you can always move. Like, maybe I should just buy more stuff. I can already do this more. Oh, it's now 3x3. Uh-oh. Ah. Oh, so we've got the for loop now. Okay. And range. Okay, wow. If we should get world size also now, so it's the side length of your farm, so it would be 5. Okay. So I guess it's always going to be square from now on. Okay. So at this point, and then we're going to have a variable as well. So this is good. I mean, I do just want to loop forever though. So while true, we're just gonna loop, yeah, for I in range 5. Oh, I guess I can do that. I can make it more generalized. What was it? Get world size. Get world size. Get world size. We're gonna like harvest, and then like move, like west? How do I want to do this? I guess I'm going west. No, we'll do east. It'll feel nicer. And then move north. So move east, then move north. So that should work. I'm not sure the pattern will be great. Yeah, okay, then the pattern's pretty good. Okay, cool. So now we're looping over the field. However, now what we can do, because we want logs as well, is say, oh, but we don't have if. Do we? Do we have if yet? I don't remember what we've got and what we don't have. We do have if. Yes. Oh yeah, because we did if can harvest. Okay. Cool. So we should still put that in here. If can harvest, and then harvest. And then after harvesting, what I want to say is if I equals like 2, then plant entities bush. Maybe actually if I is greater, let's like make the bushes be our most, the one that we're doing the most at the moment, bush. So then second column and third column will all become bushes. Okay. Okay. This is something. We could have done a checkerboard pattern or something. We could have we could add I and, well, I guess I'm only doing my X position right now, not my Y position. I'm just letting it wrap around for the Y position. But hey, we've got stuff happening. That's good. I've got stuff I can buy. Carrots. Till the soil and plant carrots. Okay, so we could do... So you have to till it first. Can you just plant immediately? Planting carrots costs woods and hay. Oh, those items will ultimately be removed when calling plant carrots. Okay, one of each. Oh, interesting. So we want to make sure we're balanced out. That is interesting. Okay. But possibly if they take longer to grow, then it will balance out anyway, and we'll still be gaining hay and wood. What else can we buy right now? Let's have a look. Sensors. Is there anything to see what's under it? Okay, so get its own position. Got it. I was predicting that would arrive at some point. Okay. Holy moly. Holy moly. Suddenly we've got access to so much stuff. Got faster speed. That one feels like focusing on that would be really good. Should we get some carrots? Should we say this is not the nicest way of doing this at all, but maybe if that, and then if get position Y is we're just going to use the last row, then in that case we'll plant we need to till as well. Till, plant carrot, and then otherwise we'll plant entities bush. Is that going to do what I'm expecting? Oh, okay. So because I stopped it, it's now slightly different. Okay, let's put the carrots up there. Are they going to grow in time? Yeah? Okay. This is pretty fun. This is cool. What's this about? Your code triggered a warning. Did it? Cannot plant entities carrot on grounds grassland. Oh. Why does that happen? Is that just from when that might be from the beginning. It's not happening anymore. Okay, we'll ignore it for now. Although it's interesting that that's ending up with grass. Because after I harvest... Oh, okay, what's happening there? So I'm tilling and planting. And then I do harvest. So after I harvest... Huh, well, sometimes it's not harvesting. What's going on there? Or is it just because they're not ready yet? It's because they're not ready yet. But then why does it not just immediately till and plant again? Why does it not just immediately till and plant again? Oh, whatever, it's working. Cool, what was this? Watering, holy moly. Okay, I think we've seen enough of this game. This is actually interesting. This is very cool. So you've got some debug things down here, set speeds, you can change the speed. Get time if you want to. Simulation, test faster and under reproducible conditions. Okay, wow. Enter the leaderboard for fastest times. Curious. So it would be interesting to see what people have done with this. But obviously, you're going to want to increase your speed a lot. So I think we have expand again. So we do have 4x4 now. So it's still only going to use... No, it's going to use 3 columns for the non-hay things, which is... It's only going to use that, because I did equals. What an interesting pattern I've made here. But yeah, okay. I will leave it for everyone else to go and try this out themselves and see if they can optimize and make things faster and do better systems. Like, at some point, you probably want to start thinking about, like, okay, but what speed do I want to be getting hay relative to wood versus carrots? Like, what is that the highest priority? I guess once you get down to here, have you sort of unlocked everything? You need 100 million what? Bones? Dinosaurs? Okay, well, there's an interesting cliffhanger to leave it on. Alright, folks, here's some really horrible code that you can go start with if you want to. But yeah, that's interesting. So yeah, just like unlocking Python bit by bit, so then using it to harvest all these materials. Cool game. That was The Farmer Was Replaced. Yeah, go check it out. It's on Windows. So yeah, everybody else can go and see if they can make it even faster. Alrighty.